How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another little video. Today, I already videotaped an opening, but the problem is it got all messed up. So we get to do another one that I was going to do next week. I ordered a bunch of stuff from Amazon. It is strictly hits. It should be, I think, 50 hits total. Of course, it's Amazon, so they sent it in 4 different packages, though it all came from the same company. All right, well, let's crack into it. I have no idea what's going to be what, so it should just be fun. Start with this blue bad boy right here. All right, get rid of that, or come back. Okay, I'll get rid of that now. All right, well, as you can see, there we go. As you can see, it comes in a little container. I was kind of hoping that it was a little bit better. Maybe each card was wrapped, but no. So we'll crack into this and see what we get. This is 10, so there should be 5 of these total. I guess we'll just set them on top of those as we go. All right, first up, I'm going to set these down. Make life a little bit easier. How about there? All right, so first up, we have Frank Thomas and Sammy Sosa, both bat pieces, little bat relics. 100% authentic game used. Sorry about that, let me get that center. It's a Donruss MVP. I cannot see the year. Let's see. Oh, that's 2001. So 2001. Oh, I'm blocking it. Frank Thomas and Sammy Sosa. That's a nice card. Next up, we have Kevin Kramer. I don't think I'm actually going to talk about each card. Hopefully you'll be able to know what the cards are, or at least just enjoy them, because there are 50 to go through. So I'll just do front and backs. That's a signature. It's on sticker. All right, next, Steve Moya with the Tigers. It's a rookie card, on card, Topps Chrome. All right. Next up is Newhouse. Oh, that's cool. That's on card. God, that's a pretty card. Bowman Sterling. That is a shiny, shiny card. Tucker Newhouse. All right. Next. This is 13 of 199. Brian Brickhouse from the Royals. And that one, again, is on card. And super shiny. All right. Next up, we got, see, Reimer Liriano, I think, from the Padres, the rookie card. Again, on card autograph. Very, very nice. Next up, we've got Giovanni Gallegos, New York Yankees. That's Topps Chrome rookie card. Again, it's on the card. That's kind of cool. I'm not sure if it shows, but around the hand, there's like an outline. Seems to be an outline around the body. That's interesting. All right. Next up, what do we got? We got a sticker autograph, 256 of 299. Back to the Future, Jeff McVaney. That's a cool card. Excellent. All right, next is Chad Sobotka, hopefully. It's a Bowman Chrome. That's on card. That's nice. Shows stats and everything. And last is a Greg Maddux with the Braves. It's authentic fabrics. Let's see. Is it game worn? Congratulations, you have received a you've received a Greg Maddux game used jersey trading card from Topps Upper Deck Company. Fantastic. So it's game used, not just player worn. That's kind of nice. Excellent. All right, well, there you go. So that was the first 10. There actually happens to be 40 more. So we'll rip into those and just keep going. Let me set these up nicely, set them back nicely. Do not want to damage them. Some of those are pretty cool. Oh, I'll scoot that over a bit. All right, next up, brand package. Oop, try again. Slightly different case. Okay. Still should have 10. Ooh. Yeah, appears to be. Sorry about the mess. All right. Carlos Rodon. It's an on-card autograph. Is this Gypsy Queen or Allen and Ginter? Gypsy Queen. All right. Very nice. I am more of an autograph person, so this is actually quite fantastic to get so many autographs. This is Samuel Tuivailala. I don't know. I know I said that wrong. Sammy T. We'll call him that. Rookie card for the. He's on the Cardinals. Topps Chrome. Well, there we go. All right. Next, this is Nick Sufo. Man, I know I'm messing these up. And that's on card. That's Bowman Sterling. Really nice card. Oh, next we have a Tony Gwynn. Wow. Tony Gwynn, class of 2001 for the Padres. Looks like a little bit of stripe from the jersey. This is a game-worn jersey, authentic, very nice. 205 out of 500. All the information. That is really nice. Okay, next. Next we have Nick Wells. Very nice. All right. This is going to be a sticker autograph for, looks like Bowman Sterling. This is Justin Nicolino. It's actually a cool autograph. Very nice. All right, Hunter Wood rookie card for the Rays. This is numbered 154 out of 250. Pretty cool. Maybe it's like a purple parallel. That's nice. All right. Abital Avellino. Yeah, Abital Avellino. It's nice. On card. That's kind of fantastic. All these, unless I happen to get a duplicate, but all of these will be just going into the personal collection. All right, Kyle McMine. It's a Playoff Contenders 2011. It's a sticker autograph, but still kind of a cool card. All right, and last is, it's an Allen Ginter, Jason Hayward with Cubs. It's a genuine relic card featuring memorabilia of Jason Howard. This memorabilia contains a card that's not from any specific game, event, or season. Okay, it's probably just player worn. That is cool, though. Another stripe. Very cool. All right, well, that's 2 down. Put those in there. Put that up there. All right, we'll go for the next brown one. Okay, so this one's got 2. 1, 2. Excellent. We will start with this one. Okay, come on now. Okay, new knife time. All right, we'll open the other one while we're at it. Ooh, patch or jersey auto. That's kind of cool. For Ryan Weathers, USA Baseball. Silhouettes. That's kind of cool. Looks like gold ink. Very neat. That's 37 of 89. Sweet. Okay. This one is Minor League Baseball Centennial. Oh, George Brett. Game used jersey. Wow. Okay, from Upper Deck, George Brett. Oh, that's fantastic. I'll try to hold it nice and still. Anyone wants to pause it and read about it? That is cool. Love the blue. All right. Next up, we've got Tristan McKenzie. Nice on card for Bowman's Best. All right, on card, yep. Very flashy. Andrew Church. Andrew Church for the Mets. On card. All right, next up, another Andrew. Andrew Applin. These cards are great. All right. Next, Nick Tropiano. That's pretty. That is on card. Not numbered, but that's cool. All right. Next. Ooh, this one is numbered right on the front. 145 of 622. This is Colin Miles Extra Edition. Oh, what else? It says, Prospects. Prospects on the side. That is a flashy card. That's cool. James Bell. That is 46 of 50. That's neat. That gives us stats. Little QR code to view the player profile. Alright, let's see what's next. This is Trey Mancini, Stadium Club. It's a nice on-card auto. Top certified autograph issue. That's nice. Excellent. I think this is the last one in the case. Another auto. It's Alberto Mejia for the Giants. Oh, that's Inception. Topps Inception. That's fantastic. Let's turn that over. Show you the information. Sweet. All right. Another pack down. Fantastic. And only two more. All right, here goes this one. Oh, there's some super thicks. All right, this is Primary Pieces, number 53 of 99 of Ian Kinsler. Wow. That's fantastic. Show that again. That is nice. Okay, let's see what else we got. Kyle Lobstein for the Tigers. There we go. Next, Max White. That's 123 out of 510. Again, another nice shiny one. What do we got? We got Taylor Ward. That's at Melky Mesa. That's a cool autograph. Love the M's. It's got them up and around. That's neat. All right. A rated rookie optics. Bradley Shipley from Arizona. Braden Shipley. I can read. Braden Shipley. That's cool. Oh, it's numbered. Number 55 out of 125. A couple more left in this pack. This is Reyes Moronta. Oh, these are beautiful. There's 3 more. All right, this is Montgomery. Mark Montgomery from the Yankees. Very nice. LJ Hose from the Orioles. And I do actually like that quite a few of these are rookie cards. So they do have the chance of becoming better. This was from 2013. I guess I could look them up and see more since I don't know who LJ Hose is. And last in this one, wow, this is a chunky card. Jeez. This is Victor Caratini. This is top certified autograph. It's a rookie card for 5-star. Wow. That's nice. All right. That one's set up there, and then we got one more. Fantastic. Trash. And our last one. Oh, Tony Gwynn right on the front. That is. These have been quite nice. It's 10 autographs or relics for, I believe it was $27.50 each. I've got Amazon Prime, so it was free shipping. I live in California, so I do believe there was tax on that, but that's still around $3 a card to your house. So for some of these being what they are, I think that's well worth $3 a card. Some of them, but most of them are pretty good. I can't say I can really complain about any of them. I don't have any of them, but certainly these are nice. All right, so we got a Tony Gwynn Sports Legends. Let me get that more center. There we go. Let's check out the reverse. This is 204 out of 500. And it says, the enclosed piece of material was personally worn by Tony Gwynn. The material was obtained and is guaranteed by Donruss Playoff LP. Excellent. That's cool. So, Tony Gwynn materials. Oh, that's neat. That is, wow. That is a super thick card. Andrew Miller, and it's kind of neat. You can see through it. That is an on-card auto from Strata. That's fantastically cool. I will have to apologize though. I did buy out the last 5 that they had. So these are the last 5. It is possible that they'll come back, but so far just 5 was all they had left. Kyle Crockett. That's cool. Number 384 out of 774. Wow. That kid signed. All right. Next, grab 2. Next is Aristides Aquino. Next up, Alan Webster. Rookie card. Jake Thompson, a rated rookie. Oh, that's nice on card. Optics. Ooh. Eddie Butler, Inception. We have, is that Pat Kivlehan? Patrick Kivlehan. And Jed Jerko. Topps Chrome. That's beautiful. And last up, out of all 50, this is 25 out of 35 meaningful materials. This is Carlos Rodon, and that's a bit of patch right there. Nice little chunky patch. And the reverse. Congratulations, you have received a meaningful material relic from 2017 Topps Museum Collection Baseball. Wow, that's cool. Another super thick card. Point that more towards you. There you go. That is amazing. I would say, well, I'll just go over all the hits, but they're all hits. So, just want to say thank you again for everyone who's watched, and we'll have some more next Monday. Thank you. See you then.